I'm here just out back of where I live in a wild garlic patch. It's spring and it is growing in absolute abundance here in Wales. I'm just about to make my very favourite wild garlic dal, which is made with red lentils. It's divinely delicious. It matures overnight if you just let the flavours dance as well, or you can eat it straight away. I think you're gonna love it. If you haven't got wild garlic, then just swap out for spinach or any green. Let's go see how easy it is to make. But before we do that, if you like what you see, remember to click thumbs up, leave me a comment. I love your comments. Just had a little chat with the man that walked past, told him all about the wild garlic dal. Okay, let's go see how easy it is to make wild garlic dal. So first stage, you're going to put the red lentils in, and then you're going to fill up the pan. You've got like 2 or 3 times the amount of water to lentils. You're going to strain that off, so you don't need to get the exact amount of water once they've cooked. And then you want to bring that to the boil and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until they've cooked and they're nice and soft. As it's come into the boil, I like to give it a little bit of a stir. This stops the lentils from sticking together and from sticking to the bottom of the pan. In the meantime, grab yourself about 100 grams of wild garlic leaves. I've picked these from my local woodland. If you haven't got wild garlic on your doorstep, just use baby spinach leaves instead. You know when it's ready, when it starts to fall apart like that? Then you want to strain it. Give it a bit of a rinse through. That will just rinse off the starch. And then you want to add a teaspoon of sea salt and 2 teaspoons of garam masala. If you haven't got garam masala, just do coriander, a bit of black pepper, wild garlic, or your spinach in a whole tin of chopped tomatoes. And then you want to turn back on the heat, mix it all in. So you want to bring that back to the boil and let it cook for a few minutes, just until everything melds together nicely. And you can tell when it's ready when those leaves start to soften. So you can serve this with some chapati, or my favourite, oat wraps, or chunk of nice sourdough bread if that's your thing, or poppadoms. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoy this as much as I liked sharing it. Let me know how you get on. Remember to subscribe, click thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.